Hey, got another video on composite functions. This will probably be the last one, maybe another one, and then we'll move on to even and odd functions. But for this one, we want to find functions f and g so that the composition of f with g is equal to h. And that's if, for problem 1, h of x is equal to 2x plus 3 to the third, and for problem number 2, h of x is equal to the square root of x squared plus 1. So we want to find two functions so that when you can compute the composition of f with g, you get the function h in 1 and in 2. Take a few minutes to see if you can work these out, and then I'll come back. Okay, let's look at these. And I want to point out that there is more than one way to work these out, or should I say there's more than one correct answer for this. But the obvious one to me would be let f of x, we just let f of x equal to x to the fourth. And we'll pick g of x to equal to 2x plus 3. And that would be the solution, or one solution. Another one would be, say, make this for a square and make the 2x plus 3 a square, and then when you put it in, you get what we want. But you can see that in this case, f composition g evaluated at x, this would equal to f of g of x this is equal to f of, and g of x is 2x plus 3 So now we evaluate the function f at 2x plus 3, so we just put 2x plus 3 where the x is, and this will equal to 2x plus 3 to the fourth. And this f composition g, of course, is what we named, or was named, h of x. And that's what we're trying to show. This h of x does equal 2x plus 3 to the fourth. And that's your solution for that one. Okay, for the next one then we want to find the components then that'll give us h of x if h of x is equal to the square root of x squared plus 1. Just like we found the components for problem 1, same sort of thing here. So for this one, we'll let f of x equal to the square root of x, and g of x should equal, and of course you should have put down x squared plus 1. So therefore we can say then that h of x, we find the components that will generate h of x. So h of x then will equal to the composition of f with g evaluated at x. So this is f of g of x and then continue, then this is f of g of x then is x squared plus 1. So we're evaluating the function f at x squared plus 1, so we take the function f and just replace the x by the x squared plus 1. So this comes out then to the square root of x squared plus 1. And that's what we're trying to show. We find the components that make up the function h of x, and we want a composition f composed of g, and this is one answer for it. Like I said, there's more than one answer. This is the most obvious answer probably. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.